first graders. So for today for writing, you will be sketching and labeling your third realistic fiction story. Before you start sketching and labeling, I want you to think of three things. I want you to first think about your setting or your adventure of where you want your character to be in. So your setting could be at a school, the park, birthday party, um, maybe vacation at the beach. So you get to pick a new setting for your new character. The second thing that you're going to think of is the trouble that your character can get into. And so it might be getting lost or maybe an argument with friends, um, any other getting hurt, any other trouble you think that your character might get into. The third thing that you want to think about is the solution. How is your character going to solve the problem? And so those are the three things that I want you to brainstorm before you sketch. So let's review that. You're going to brainstorm your new setting. You are going to brainstorm the trouble that your new character is going to get into. And you are also going to brainstorm how your character is going to solve that problem or trouble. Once you have that idea, those three ideas, you are going to sketch and label your drawing. So my three ideas are Marie, which is my new character's name. She is going to be hiking at the park. While she's hiking, she's going to see a baby bird on the ground that fell from its nest. The solution is going to be that Marie is going to find an adult to help her. And so now that I brainstorm those three ideas, I am ready to sketch and label. And let me share with you my sketches. So the first sketch from my beginning is I sketched Marie and she's hiking. She has her hiking stick, her backpack, and I also did a little background, a flower, and a hill. So she's hiking at the park. For my middle, this is where you want to sketch the problem. So here is Marie, and she sees a baby bird on the ground. I also sketched the nest where it fell from. And then I sketched and labeled the tree, her backpack, her hiking stick, and I also did a speech bubble for the bird. It says chirp, chirp. And then for my ending, this is where you want to sketch the solution. And so Marie solved the problem by going to a park ranger. And the park ranger grabbed a ladder and was able to put the baby bird back in the nest. And I sketched and I labeled. And so now your job today is to sketch and label your third realistic fiction story. Now remember, first graders, that even though these are just sketches and labeling, that's still an important part of writing. So always do your best work. All right, I can't wait to look at your sketches. Have fun.